Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Today in this video tutorial, we will learn what is a set reset function in the Semantic Manager. So set reset function is used to hold a one state either on and off. As in we learned in the previous tutorial video, what is a latch function. Set reset function also similar to same the latch functions. So we'll understand set reset function for one of the practical example. Suppose we have a motor and that is a trip due to overload current, and we receive that signal in the PLC, and now we want to program. Once we receive that trip signal and we want to activate one alarm, and this alarm should be activated even the trip is removed from the field, and this state alarm state will continue hold until we did not press the reset button. So once we press the reset button, this alarm indication will go off. So how we can program this task in a PLC? So we can use set reset function to program such tasks. How? So we will take a no contact and we will enter the input address of the trip. For example, I0.0 is the trip input address, and we'll take a set function, and that set function is connected with our alarm output, that is connected with the alarm limit. So once it's triggered from the field, it will reset and it will hold the state. Even it's removed from the field, the Q0.0 will continue on, and it will on until we did not press the reset button, that is from separate input I0.1. Once we press the reset button, it will reset and become 0. So let's do it practically, how we can configure in the Siemens Semantic Manager. Okay, to configure set reset function, we'll open the Semantic Manager, double click it here. Create a new project. We'll use the step 7 wizard. Click next. Select any of the CPU and click next, and then we'll select the ladder language. Click next, and we'll here put our project name, set reset project, and click at finish. Then select the semantic 3 illustration, double click over hardware. We'll add some input output modules. So click here in the semantic 300 and we'll add some interface module, and then click DITO. So here you can see our starting input address I0.0 and output starting address Q0.0. Just click save and compile. and then close it. Come here in the blocks, open the OB1 block. So as in my previous tutorial videos, I already explained, always use the function blocks. So in the previous tutorial video, I already explained, always use the function block to program your different tasks, and just call those blocks in the OB1. But here for the testing purpose, I'm using the OB1 block. Okay, so we'll add uh, one normally open contact and assign the input address I 0.0, and this is, I will assign the symbol name. This is my trip, and then come in the bit logic, select the set function and just select and drag and drop it here, and I will assign the output address Q 0.0, and I will assign the name is alarm. Okay, and then I will right click and insert a network. Then I will take and one more NO contact, and I will assign I 0.1, and I will add it. I will put, this is my reset button, and I will select here the reset function and drag and drop it here, and assign the same Q 0.0. Just click over save, and enable the PLC sim simulator. Select the PLC sim interface over MPI, click over the run, and then just download the program in control. Okay, our program is goes in run mode. So now click here to move in the monitor mode or run mode. So as you can see, once I turn on my input, like it's activated from the field, the pump is tripped. So you can see my alarm is activated now. Even if the trip signal is removed from field, but my still alarm is activated. As you can see here in output Q 0.0, alarm is still activated. So it will deactivate once I press the reset button. So as you can see, I press the reset button. Now my output is gone. So now my output is off. So my alarm lamp also it will become off. So if you want to configure set reset uh, function in the function block, so you can change it from here the language, and like that you can program it through the function block. And if you want to program through STL language, so like that you can program through the STL language. So I will put it back in the ladder language. So Alhamdulillah, we learn in this video tutorial how we can configure set set function in the Semantic Manager, and we will also understand set recent function concept with one of the practical examples. So thanks for watching this video.